Hello family. Today we are doing an unboxing of the gun I'm using against the girls. I'm so pumped. The Nerf Rival Apollo X7 XV700. So here's the extra ammo I told you I was gonna get. Oh my gosh. Of course they have the standard packaging and all that fun jazz. You guys have no idea how excited I am. Oh, by the way, the hat's finally back. Some of you guys said you missed this. You know I said I missed it. I missed it personally. I lost it for a little bit, so yeah. So this is not paid for at all. I bought the gun myself with my own money. This is the first Nerf gun I've bought with my own money for the first time ever. And this gun is actually a lot bigger than I thought it'd be. Like I'd seen it on commercials, but I'd actually never seen it and held it in my hands. Well, I'm currently struck. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I am so happy right now. So it comes with the 7 clip. It's about this big. I have no idea how to. What are the instructions? First time I've ever actually seen. Well, that's effective. Use instructions. Okay. And we'll figure it out. So let's load up all these bullets. Dude, I'm so excited right now. There you go. Yeah. Alright. There we go. What? Like, I've never shot one of these ever, so I'm loading it up right now. The 7 shots. Well, I know you guys can't even see me right now, but I don't care. So, I think it goes in. No. Hold up. There we go. There's even a safety on this thing. Alright, let's go take this out for a spin. Let's see. We're just gonna shoot down the hallway. Mom, look at this.
Den zurückziehen, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's test it out. I'm gonna put the camera like this. I'm not gonna shoot you, Mom, I promise.
Yeah.
There's a safety with this one.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yes.
And
Oh!
oh my gosh! This is amazing!
Also Böller drin, nicht...
Yeah, no, it's... Oh my
Kannst du
gosh.
nicht machen? Wie viel sind denn?
7.
7. Soll du da mal den Obi machen lassen? Der Obi einmal schießt.
Ah! No.
In die Richtung, gell? In die Richtung.
Warte.
Wieder nach vorne.
Ja.
Ja. Okay, ich schieße auf die Lampe.
Oh nein.
Nein.
Wir machen sofort da.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'll be right back.
Warte. Okay, da ist der Obi. Okay, Moment. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This thing is meant for ages 14 and up for good reason. 7 clip. You can get a 12 clip, but I'm just gonna say the 7 clip. And then I have this too. And I'm gonna need this against the girls. This is gonna be so much fun. So let's run through what's on here. You got the magazine, putting that way. You got the, what's it called? The handle, or yeah. And then you just cock back. I'm not gonna do that. This is ridiculous. This thing is so powerful. They have the safety, which is, I see why they have it now. Then you have the bullet. It's maybe a centimeter, maybe an inch wide. It's not like the regular bullets. I quite like this one more actually because it's meant for ages 14 and up. And they got the magazine release back here. Release is pretty easy, and whoo! This thing, it's like I said before, I had seen these on videos. And that was with full-grown adults, and I didn't realize this is how big it was. And I'm quite impressed with Nerf Rival. Like, this is amazing. And whew, I would definitely recommend getting one of these if you are into big in Nerf wars. Good $20 well spent. I really like it. But other than that, that's pretty much all I had planned for this video. So thank you guys. If anything exciting happens, I'll come back to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.